The Tajik National University is considered the most prestigious educational, scientific, and cultural center of the Republic of Tajikistan, and graduates of this scientific and educational center make a significant contribution to the progress of the independent state of Tajikistan, the development of the economy, social, scientific, and cultural spheres of the country. Tajik National University has 19 faculties, 125 departments, research institute, Lyceum of Natural and Mathematical Sciences, Scientific and Electronic Library, Institute for Advanced Studies of Teachers of Higher Educational Institutions, Confucius Institute, 112 scientific, educational and research laboratories, 10 internet centers, 52 computer labs, 6 lingophone classrooms, more than 10 centers for educational and research services, 3 experimental bases, a sanatorium, a legal clinic, a medical clinic, and sports grounds. The university has the best dormitories equipped with modern equipment for domestic and foreign students, master's and doctoral students. To date, the total number of students at the university is more than 23,000 people who study in 124 specialties, including bachelor's, specialists, and master's programs. Education at the university is conducted in 3 languages: Tajik, Russian, and English, and the best teachers with academic degrees and titles are mobilized for classes. Today, the teaching staff of the university consists of 1,330, including 13 academicians, 13 members of the National Academy of Sciences of the Republic of Tajikistan, 196 doctors of sciences, professors, and 600 candidates of sciences, associate professors. In order to improve the level of professional and scientific knowledge of students at the university, there are scientific circles named WISE, Intellect, Lawyer, and dozens of other scientific circles of the departments. Also, the university publishes publications to the heights of knowledge, lawyer, and scientific journals, news of the Tajik National University, and science and technology. To get acquainted with the achievements of the leader of the Tajik nation, the university has a research center and a museum of the leader of the nation. The university has signed cooperation agreement with 360 educational and scientific institutions of foreign countries, including Belarusian universities, on the basis of which students study at the Tajik National University for 2 years and at the Belarusian universities for 2 years, and during their studies they receive student benefits which used by the state of Belarus. The university is a member of the Network University of the Commonwealth of Independent States, the University of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, and the Association of Eurasian Universities, the founder of the Association of Asian Universities, the founder of the Association of Universities of Central Asia, a member of the International Association of Teachers of Russian Language and Literature, and other international organizations and consortium. The university took part at the International Independent Association of Accredited Registrars Eurasian University Ranking 2022 and took 4th place.